and share and subscribe and like.
In this video, we discuss an important problem of partial differential equation, that is how to find a solution of a wave equation by using the method of separation of variables. We have equation is a del 2y by del t square equal to c square into del 2y by del x square. Again, a method of separation of variable we are applying. Therefore, we consider this function y. Y is a dependent variable here. So it is a product of two functions. Suppose that this y is a function of two variable, capital X, which is a function of x alone, and capital T, which is function of t alone. Then its derivatives del y by del x equal to t is a constant, so t remain as it is, and the derivative of x, that is dx by dx. Okay, since capital X is a function of x alone, therefore we have an ordinary derivatives del 2y by del x square equal to t into d2x by dx square. Okay, similarly del y by del t equal to capital X is a constant, so and it is in the multiplication, so it remain as it is, dt by small dt, and del 2y by del t square equal to capital X into d2t by dt square. So put this derivative in the given equation. If we put this derivative, we have x into d2t divided by dt square equal to c square into d2x by dx square. Okay, and into t here, into t. Then separating the variables, if we separate the variables, we have d2t divided by dt square and 1 divided by c square into t equal to 1 divided by x into d2x divided by dx square. So variables are separated, therefore we equate this some constant, suppose k, say. Then we get two separate ordinary differential equation. First equation is d2x by dx square equal to k into x, or d2x by dx square minus k into capital X equal to 0. This is first equation. And second equation, d2t by dt square equal to c square t into k, or d2t by dt square minus c square k into t equal to 0. So these are the ordinary differential equation of second order, and therefore auxiliary equation of this equation is m square minus k uh, equal to 0, and here auxiliary equation is m square minus c square k equal to 0. M equal to under root of k, and here m equal to c into under root of k. Now what happen if k is a positive term? So there are three possibilities. First possibility is k is positive, then we have a real root, and therefore we have capital X is equal to c1 into e raised to under root of k into x plus, here plus and minus, these are the two roots, plus or minus, plus or minus. Okay, so first one is a plus, and second C2 into e raised to minus under root of k into x. Similarly, capital T equal to C3 e raised to c under root of k into t plus C4 e raised to minus c under root of k into t. These are the solutions. Now a second condition, when k is a negative, second case, when k is less than 0. If k is less than 0, roots are imaginary, you know that, and we have, when roots are imaginary, we have c5 cos of under root of k into x plus c6 sine of under root of k into x, and t equal to c7 cos of c under root of k into t plus c8 sine of c into under root of k into t are the solution. And third condition, when k is equal to 0. So when k equal to 0, you can directly integrate this equation. D2x by dx square equal to 0 we get. So integration gives us dx divided by dx equal to constant c9. Again integration gives us x equal to c9x plus integrating constant c10. Similarly, d2t by dt square equal to 0 gives us dt divided by dt equal to c11, and capital T again integration gives us c11t plus c12. So these are the three different kind of solutions we get depending on the constant. But we know that the equation is an wave equation, and therefore the solution is the value of constant is less than 0, and that is why we have a second solution, that is k less than 0. uh, K is less than 0, therefore the solution of this differential equation, wave equation, y is equal to, we have c1 cos of under root of k into x plus c2 sine of under root of k into x into c3 cos of c under root of k into t plus c4 sine of c into under root of k into t. This is the solution. Okay, so don't bother about the numbering of the constant. We have taken here from the first, started from the first, since this is the solution. Okay, so here we have save c5 to c8, but here we have taken c1 to c4. So we can take any number of the constant or change these. These are the arbitrary constant, and they are vary from minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, so therefore every constant varies from minus infinity to plus infinity, and hence we can take the same numbers. So we have this solution of an wave equations.
Hello guys, thank you for watching video.